Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech and baby gear expert with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. And we're going to show you how to reset the length of your latch connectors so that way you can reinstall it in your vehicle. So when you've taken your base out of the car and you're trying to reinstall it again, sometimes you may notice that there's not enough length or room to actually reach your latches again. When you install your car seat initially and tighten it, the latch connector, when it tightens, it actually shortens. So in order to get the length back, you need to grab one of the connectors. You can grab it from either side. You're going to rotate it back underneath the base, and that's going to reset the connector to its maximum length. So now you have plenty of room to reattach it to your vehicle. When you tighten it, the latch connector shortens, and when you flip it back around, it resets back to its longest length.